This video isn't highly edited, but the message inside it can change your entire life. And no, I'm not saying that to boost engagement. In fact, 90% of people already clicked off. But you stayed, so let's begin. Today, after watching this video, you won't be able to say one sentence ever again. I'll do it tomorrow. Half your life is already gone. Time is slipping. And today, I'm here to shake your subconscious awake. Because 2025 isn't just another year. It's your last real chance. This video isn't here to scare you. It's here to wake you up. The urgency. Every legend you know, every name that became immortal, has tasted one thing up close: the feeling of mortality. Robert Greene, one of the greatest thinkers of our time, his book released 3 months later, a stroke, left side paralyzed, can't type, takes 10 minutes just to put on a shoe, and from that point, a stronger version of him emerged, sharper, more focused, unbreakable. Why? Because of urgency. When life tells you, do it now or never again, that's when transformation finally happens. Hopeless youth, if you're between 16 and 26, do not skip this. Because this is the age where you have the energy, the body, the brain, but no urgency. We think we're going to live forever. We think we have time. But time never asks before it leaves. Every year, millions of ideas die with people because they always said, not the right time yet. Destroying laziness. Laziness isn't your enemy. It's just a habit of seeing the effort, not the reward. A mother goes through 9 months of pain, delivery pain, and still chooses to do it again. Because the reward is bigger than the pain. Ask yourself, can you give birth to your dream like that? Can you tear out your bad habits like a surgeon cutting out a tumor? Take the pain of discipline today, or spend the rest of your life in the pain of regret. You have strength inside you, stored for your emergency mode. Activate it. Treat this year like your worst-case scenario. Wake up your real power. Awareness. A human can change their entire world in 5 months with just one thing: awareness. 1 hour of true awareness is worth weeks of mindless action. A few minutes of clarity can set your next few years. Think about last year. You don't remember 365 days. You remember maybe 10 or 15 moments. Life isn't made of years. Life is made of moments. So create the moments that turn 2025 into the turning point of your story. The mind. You control only 5% of your life consciously. The other 95% is your subconscious. And right now, that 95% is your enemy. Because it wants only one thing: low effort. So here's the rule. Show your brain the reward. Put up a dream board. Look at it the moment you wake up. Let your brain say, I want that. When the why becomes clear, the how appears on its own. Lay one brick right. The whole wall builds right. Win one day, you can win the entire year. Everyone disappears. Everyone takes breaks. But the ones who return and shock the world, they write history. When a magician disappears, the room goes silent. But the applause comes only when he returns. The end of 2025 will define your story. What's your plan for December 31st? What will you show the world? What will be your prestige moment? Remember, life isn't luck. Life is physics. Apply the formula, it works. Ignore it. Nothing changes. And everything in this video was to bring you to one final word: obsession. If you're not obsessed, nothing changes. If you are, nothing can stop you. Half of 2025 is gone. Now only one thing remains: action, consistency, the final turn. This is your comeback. This is your prestige.